Hey, it's Andy Fagervik with Epcon Communities and Clarity Construction. Welcome to another episode of You Ask, We Answer. A lot of folks ask us, is this a 55 plus community? And what does that mean? Well, the short answer is yes, but it's not what you might think. Our communities are not age restricted. Our communities are designed for the active adult lifestyle. It's not about slowing down. It's more about spending more time with your family, enjoying your new neighbors, and enjoying a low maintenance lifestyle. At Epcon Communities, our neighborhoods are designed with the 55 plus lifestyle in mind. Homes that fit your stage of life and a community built around connection and convenience. It's not an assisted living or retirement community, it's a community that helps you live better. Here, you'll find friendly, like-minded neighbors, people who value their independence but also enjoy the chance to be a part of something bigger. From morning walks to neighborhood happy hours, there's always something to look forward to. When you think 55 plus, it may seem limiting, but it's the opposite. Residents get to meet so many great people, and they love having everything taken care of for them. It's freedom, not restriction. Our homes are designed for comfort and convenience. Single level layouts, open spaces, and plenty of natural light. And with yard work, snow removal, and common clubhouse upkeep taken care of for you, you have time to do more of what you love. So yes, this is a 55 plus community, but really, it's a place where life feels easy, social, and full of possibility. Less work, more living. Tour any of our 3 actively selling communities today that are open 7 days a week. Stop on by or give us a call to schedule your VIP tour.